2026 is a brutal year, just like 2025 was in relation to tech layoffs. So far this year, we've had so many companies cutting jobs, and in January we had Amazon. We have seen so many big brands cutting so many jobs. Just look across the year here. For example, like I say, Amazon, 16,000 people impacted. This is almost every single company. So many tech companies are laying off loads of workers. There's many names that you'll know, that you'll have heard of. Now, the one that we're looking at tonight, I'm sure you've definitely heard of. This is Oracle, and they are looking to slash thousands of jobs, and this is supposed to be due to AI spending creating a financial cash crisis. So we'll have a read about what this is. If we have a look, we can see that enterprise software giant Oracle is reportedly planning to axe thousands of jobs due to mounting financial pressure from its aggressive push towards AI-focused data centers. The tech powerhouse may slash 20 to 30,000 positions, potentially cutting 12 to 18% of its global workforce of roughly 162,000 employees. Now take a moment to think about this number. That in and of itself is huge. 20 to 30,000 positions. And I must say, guys, this is important. We're not just talking numbers here, we're not just talking statistics. When we mention these numbers, when we see these figures, we're talking about people's jobs, people's livelihoods, people's careers, right? And this is something which appears to be just becoming more and more widespread. Now, this could be implemented apparently quite soon, as early as March of 2026, reported by Bloomberg. So the move is driven by a cash crunch from its massive spending on AI data centers, which Wall Street expects will keep Oracle's cash flow negative for years, forcing the company to seek an alternative way to provide or preserve liquidity, said Bloomberg. And we're seeing this in many companies. Now, whether it's the case for Oracle is not necessarily what we're going over in this video, but the topic is so many companies are struggling to actually make money from AI. You know, we've heard all of this about how AI is the future and it's going to change and revolutionize the world, but in reality, is it profitable for many businesses? Well, that's something that we'll just have to see. So yes, Oracle is another company potentially laying off many more workers. Very upsetting to hear. It's a real hard time for tech employees out there, but that is unfortunately the latest situation in the tech jobs market. Thank you for your time, guys, and goodbye for now.